everyone, I'm making this video about my new add-on. It's like a step-by-step editor tutorial how to use it. You install it the same way than any other add-on. Then on the side you will see a YV3D 360. You can just drop it down. The first part is how you can set up the resolution for a Facebook image to make it 360 look around and interactive. The ratio is have to be a 2:1 and the minimum is have to be a 4000 times 2000. You also can create only HDRI with this add-on. You can just set your resolutions with this button. At the moment with this video we will do it for Facebook, so we choose the 4K times 2K. You have to make sure that your image is gonna be a JPEG, as at the moment that's the only supported image on Facebook. You also can set up your samples. Then we have to go for camera settings. With one button click, Blender and this add-on will set up your camera to make sure it captures everything into 360. If you need any additional changes with your rotation location, you can just set it up one more times here. Then once you have your scene, I have it already hidden. It's just a few characters from Mixamo and some assets I made. Then we just need to press render. I will skip this part because it takes quite a long time. I'll be back when it's done. Once your render is done, you just save it somewhere safe on your PC. Then when you downloaded the add-on, you had an extra file called YV3D 360. You just need to open it up and import the image. Once it's imported, while you imported it, it's added the additional metadata, so you have nothing else left, just to press export. When you exported the image, you can just press exit. The magic happened when you imported the image. From now on we have nothing else left to do. We just need to go to Facebook, go to photo. So we have the original image. If you put it in, it's not going to be a 360 image. So we just take it off, and when we have the one with the data, we put it in, and this already shows the 360 icon. We have nothing else left, just to press next and post. Once it's posted, we can see it on Facebook. We can just click on it, and with the mouse moving around, we can just look around and see our scene. Thank you for watching the video.